How to create a Google Form survey questionnaire. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Let me go over to quick and easy and how you can create a Google Forms questionnaire. When you create a Google Forms questionnaire, you want to navigate to Google Forms first. So you can head into your browser and you can head into Google Forms. Now I don't have Google here itself, but I can head into google.com, right? And from here I can head into Google Forms. So let me type in Google FORMS Forms, and here you can see Google Forms sign in. Now you can head directly into Forms and proceed to create one. You want to start a new blank form, right? From there, you want to add a title and description. You can next create your questions, choosing from various question types like multiple choice, short answer, or drop downs. See here. Similarly, you can customize the form's appearance and configure settings like response collection and presentation. Finally, you are ready to share your questionnaire to collect responses. Hope this video helped you. Do like and subscribe as well.